kind of wanted to just show that you can get a bunch of stuff done as I talk with my hands.
Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Tia with Tia and the Beasleys, and today's video I'm really excited for because I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I am going to do a nap time, get it all done. So I'm gonna do as much stuff as I can, pick up the house, clean a little bit, put some clothes away, and cut up some produce, kind of prep a little bit while the baby's sleeping. So I kind of wanted to just show that you can get a bunch of stuff done as I talk with my hands. You can get a bunch of stuff done while the kids are napping with the little bit of time that you have. I like to utilize as much time as I can, especially in these times when both of the girls are home, because I like to have time with them and spend time with them. The times they are napping and doing school, I can utilize that time to do as much as I can to get the stuff that I need to get done. So I will take you guys along with me as I kind of do this nap time, get it all done.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down.
So I feel like I start almost every single video the same way when it comes to my cleaning videos, but again, I start by unloading the dishwasher. This is stuff from last night, from dinner, things like that, that were in the dishwasher that I unloaded, and then I loaded it with the dishes from breakfast and then lunch.
Here and now, so give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got, let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got, let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. I sat down by the ocean. It's the tears that I feel, fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real?
So my mom actually gave me this idea. She's been doing it as well. But you soak your strawberries in 2 cups of water and half a cup of vinegar You could use more based on how many strawberries you have. I probably should have used 4 cups of water and a cup of vinegar, but I ended up making it work. And then you just let them soak for the website that I saw said about 10 minutes. I kind of just let them soak until I'm done doing all the other stuff that I'm doing. And then I cut them up. And it keeps them fresh for a lot longer, that I've noticed. My mom soaks them and then doesn't cut them up, just leave them on a paper towel, not touching. And she said that it's made her strawberries last way longer than they did before. So it's a little trick that I think is working fairly well. We go through fruit very quickly in our house, so they don't really normally sit long enough for it to go bad, but it definitely helps keep the process from happening. And yes, I did Google how to cut a cantaloupe. I also Googled how to cut a pineapple, and you will see me do that here in a few minutes.
I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood, longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I don't wanna go back. Few things are as powerful.
Few things are as powerful as love. As love. Poison is yet powerful. Love. Love.
So next I went upstairs and put away our laundry. I generally fold all of our laundry at night, and I do it all downstairs, and then I leave piles of our laundry, bring them up, and put them away the next day. It just makes it easier since I'm hauling it up and down the stairs that I can use the rack downstairs, hang up all the laundry as I'm folding it, and then bring it up when I am ready.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your.
One quick thing I like to do every day is just wipe down each of my bathrooms. So I wipe the sink and the counters and then wipe down the toilet, and it just makes me feel like my house is a little bit cleaner. It only takes a few seconds, so I do my best to do it as often as I would like. I don't always get to it every day, but it is my goal to try to get it wiped down every day, just so that my house feels a little bit cleaner, and it really doesn't take that much time.
Things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine.
I don't clean the inside of the bowl every day because it would definitely get costly buying new tablets every day, but I do try to do it once a week, just kind of keep it fresh. Alright guys, well that will conclude the nap time, get it all done. I got a whole bunch done while Araya was napping. She is awake now. I'm about to go in and go get her. But I got all of my produce cut up and put into the fridge. I always find it easier for me to prep it all ahead of time, so then I can just kind of give the girls a little bit here and there, and it's already sliced and it's easy on the go. And I did all the dishes from breakfast and lunch and hand washed everything else that didn't fit in the dishwasher. I feel like since we've all been home, I've been doing dishes so much more than before. I think I run the dishwasher twice a day now instead of once, and so I just feel like I feed, wash dishes, do laundry, and clean. But either way, that's neither here nor there. I got those done, and then I was able to put all of our laundry away that I folded last night. I put all the stuff that was upstairs, all of that laundry away, and then I was able to wipe down the bathroom, which I try to do once a week, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less, depending on how dirty it is. But it feels so good that I got all of that stuff done, and now I get to spend some time with the baby. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to do a little extra cleaning on maybe a shorter period of time, or get as much done as you can during nap time or any real downtime. It really is hard to get motivated, especially right now, but I hope that this helped you get a little bit motivated. It definitely kept me on the right path, and I can. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, love for you to join my. Please like this video if it was content that you enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
I'm trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my head.